Guys, today I'm reviewing the Zombie Hunter Destroyer package. Comes with 2 guns, just like this. So there's 2 clips. I have 1 clip in the gun, 1 here. Don't have it cocked, but the other gun I had, it looks exactly like it. I still have it. The only thing is this part, the hammer is chipped. And in wars, I'm going to be using just 1 gun with 2 clips. So, yeah. It's a great gun, easy to shoot. It's a spring, but it's really easy to get the sights on. It's a nice gun, shoots well. You can shoot it pretty fast, and it's a good gun for wars. So now I'll do the shooting test. Now I'm about 20 feet away, probably. I'm going to set up the camera behind that white bucket. That's what I'm going to be aiming at. So yeah, I'll go put the camera there, and I'll be right back. This is going to be the first camera angle. I'm going back to the spot where I showed you. I've got it cocked and loaded. 20 feet. Here's the first shot. Hit. Can't tell if I hit that one, but hit. 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 Oh, I missed that one. Missed. Oh, no. So there's the first view. Now I'm going to do another view. Okay, now I'm going to do the second camera angle. The target's right there. I'm going to get a new magazine. We're ready. 20 feet. Hit. Missed. Hit. Hit. So, that was 2 magazines that I burned through there. 2 different angles. Hope you like the video. Share it with your friends. Like the video, subscribe. And don't forget, keep airsofting. Have a great day, and make sure to buy this gun. Comes with the target. 2 guns. I just used another magazine. But you'll have fun, and it's a good way to start airsofting. So, keep airsofting.